My name is Lisa Loperfido, and this is my house. Come on inside Boho House ATX. Here we have my entryway, and to our left, the magnificent living room full of fresh plants, Grandma the cat, and lots of mid-century modern boho chic home decor. I also have a lot of mirrors because it opens up the space and you gotta make sure your outfit's cute. Here we have the guest bathroom, me again. And this way into the kitchen. This kitchen is well loved and well used. Many of our parties start and end here. It's almost Thanksgiving, so we will certainly be in here a lot this week. And now on to the next room, through the dance floor that remains open and into the living room. Over here we have our fireplace and built-ins. I wanted to get some good close-ups of these because every item in here has been carefully sourced from thrift stores or travels around the world. I like to keep a mix of random knickknacks, books, and of course fresh foliage. So there's a lot of different textures all working together in harmony. Now we are going to go upstairs, but first we have to say hello to my little kitty cat, Gatito. Up here in the landing, we have band posters from various shows we've been to in Austin. I'm hoping to collect more once COVID is over. Now let's go inside my bedroom. Here is the master bedroom and my peacock chair corner. And through here, we have the Jack and Jill bathroom. Here's my vanity. I love these vanity lights that I installed. And then through here, this room I didn't clean, so I'm not going to show that much of it, but here's my little bathroom situation. I love this little corner. And then through here, we have my office, which I did not clean, but that's okay. We can't keep them all clean. We have the chair I work at, the chair I journal at, and Gatito's little tiny peacock chair that he never uses, and yet another mirror. That concludes the inside. Now let's check out the backyard. I love this backyard. It is perfect for entertaining groups big or small. We have several different lounge areas, a charcoal grill, a fireplace, and my favorite part, the hammock. And that is a brief tour of my house. I love living here. I love decorating this home and sharing it with so many people. I love the disco ball magic that happens whenever the sun comes in and hits the disco balls. I've worked really hard to make this home as inviting and welcoming as I can. I've also tried to be as sustainable as possible, which means shopping from local artisans or buying secondhand and used when possible. So putting this whole home together has been a true delight and joy of mine. And that is my house. If you have any questions about it, about where I got anything or how I thrifted, please let me know in the comments. I do have a Facebook Marketplace selling video on YouTube right now, and I will be working on a thrifting video soon. My name is Lisa Loperfido, and you can find me on Instagram and YouTube underneath my name. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.